To download your Mashreq NEO bank statement, begin by logging in into your Mashreq banking app. Once you are logged in, tap on the services section at the bottom right corner. It is very easy, guys. You will see the e-statement option right here below the popular services. In case you don't have it there, simply tap on view all services. You will see the download e-statement. Tap on it. As you can see on the screen, you can easily download your preferred month bank statement in just one click. Every month's bank statement is issued at the beginning of the following month. That means if you want to download bank statement of December, as you can see here, you download this statement which was issued at the beginning of January 2026. In addition, you can manage your subscription on how frequently you receive these bank statements in your registered email by tapping here on Manage Subscription. So, select the month you want to download and tap on the Download PDF button. Immediately, a copy will be saved on your device. You can access your Mashreq NEO downloaded bank statement by going in your device files. I believe many of you would love to customize your Mashreq bank statement. For example, to download a period of 6 months all at once. But unfortunately, I couldn't find that option in the Mashreq app. If you know any other way, please let me know in the comments.